Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are, whenever you are. Welcome to a new Breakout Solutions live stream. I'm your host, Matt Batiri, here with you today with another altcoin research session. I'll call them sessions because we've been doing these every week, and I do enjoy these. It's always a bit of fun, and yeah, I think we've hit some really good winners over the past few weeks, so why not continue the roll that we're on? So the market's had a bit of a bounce back. We'll just quickly have a look over the last 24 hours. We've got a bit of movement. I did talk about it on Monday. Bitcoin was at support. So when Bitcoin's at support, we tend to see a little bit of a reversal, which we're seeing. I don't know if we're going to achieve new highs. I think this could be the start of a little bit of a decent pullback. So we'll just have to wait and see. But on the weekly, we're still overbought. And we need a bit of a retracement to let some people get into the market. So without further ado, we're going to go into some of the later pages of CoinMarketCap to try and find these amazing value tokens. We've been looking at stuff around about $500,000 because $500,000, if they do 100x, that's a $500 million market cap, and that's totally doable. That's what you see on the front page of CoinMarketCap. Let me just quickly show you. So on the front page of CoinMarketCap, 500 million. Oof, geez, we're looking at basically you're looking at a token that's around about where Trust Wallet is. So we can look at things like anything that we feel can do really well. Obviously, Trust Wallet is one thing, but a few of these tokens have been around for a while. Zilliqa, dYdX is quite new. Singularity is quite new, but it doesn't take that much to get on this front page, especially Singularity. If we quickly look at Singularity, pretty sure that was released in the last year or so. Oh no, it's been around for a while. Oof. Okay then. I think just because of the AI hype, it's probably moonshotted a bit more than what it should be. I didn't think it was around in 2018, but it looks like it was, and now it's doing pretty good. So let's look at something else that probably hasn't been. Let's go look at dYdX. Pretty sure this is quite new. Yeah, so that came out, I guess you could say, at the height of the bull market. So this is a pretty good opportunity. It did hit $26 at that time, currently hovering at $2.59. So you're looking at probably an easy 10x from here, but I think if it's a good project, and it is, I'm pretty sure it's a decentralized trading platform, derivatives trading platform from memory, we should be able to easily make a 10x on this coin, and possibly even more, because usually if it's a good token and it's already gone through and it was released during the bear market, you'll tend to see pretty good price appreciation. So we could see, quite a big move in dYdX. We're not about front of page, we're here to talk about the seller dwellers tokens that are under $500,000 market cap. Looks like we're at the page. I probably just skipped the page. We'll go to 17 and we'll start at exactly $500,000. All right, so Vibe, I have heard of Vibe before. Pretty sure it is a Tron. Pretty sure it's a Tron-based blockchain token. It's been around since 2008. Let me just quickly see if I was right there. I thought it was Tron, but I could be completely wrong. But anyways, we can see that you can find it on HIT and Uniswap. There hasn't been much volume. I don't know why I clicked into it, so we're going to skip this one and we're going to move to the next one. We want to see token supply. It doesn't really matter because these are low cap. The reason why it doesn't really matter is because there could be a new project that has the tokenomics where they release the tokens nice and slowly. So I'm not too fussed at that. Vibe. So for example, Vibe, see how the tokens are completely out. It has been around for a while, but Error token, we could probably look at that and see what's going on with that. The volume's been quite low, so I'm not going to look into it. However, Pawtocol, I will check out because the volume's quite good. Let's not worry too much about the token supply. Let's have a look if it's worth a bit of a gamble play. Alrighty, so it's up a little bit like most things. So we're going to go to all. How long has this been around for? It's been around since 2020. So it went through the bull market. It did pretty well. And then this is November. There we go, November 8th. That is when Bitcoin topped out. And then it continued to about 14 cents. 14 cents or 15 cents is the high. Currently at a tenth of a penny or 2/10 of a penny. So pretty good value. Let's do a quick math. 0.14 divided by 0.001886. That's a 74x from where we are. So let's check it out. So we're going to go check out its Twitter. We're going to check out its website. Let's see what it's about. Let's see if we can find something worth investing in. So Pawtocol, creating better lives for pet and pet owners. Look, I'm a pet owner, so I do like pets. Pawtocol is using the power of blockchain technology to create solutions that will strengthen the pet community and bring value back to its members, all while providing help to rescue and shelters in need. All right, what we do, they do NFTs, blockchain pet tag, pet fund, UPI. Okay, there's not a whole lot on here. I'd probably have to read the white paper, but I don't have that much time. Okay, so it's giving you the problem. Increased funding, crowd verification, Pawtocol, pet tag, empowering users, the platform. Okay, transparent donations. So it looks like it's just a community, it's a community, what's the word I'm looking for? I've lost my words. Basically, they're trying to raise money. Charity, that's the word. It looks like it's some form of charity. Okay, so it's not, look, I'm here to make money, even though this touches my heart. It doesn't look like it's something that I would get into. 39.6. They're active on Twitter, which is great. This would probably be just something that I would invest in regards to investing with my heart, not my head, and that's always never the best way to go. So I'm going to skip Pawtocol. Good luck to them, but it's definitely not what I'm into. Aston Villa fan token, will move on from that. Binamon, I've got a feeling we've checked this one out before, so I'm going to just quickly check out the website. It's had a fair bit of price action today. Well, it looks like it's had price action because of this beautiful graph, but probably hasn't. All right, so it's been around since the height of the bull market, hit 70 cents, so it has a good ability of doing quite well for one. So we're looking at 175x if it's a decent protocol. Let's check out their Twitter. Buy and complete, Metaverse. Yeah, I think I've... This website looks familiar. It just seems like it's lots of Metaverse games, and yeah, I wasn't a fan of the website, to be honest. And I think I've seen these guys before. Yeah, I think, yeah, you can see it haven't been active this year, so that's a no from me. All right, let's move on. Binamon, Kira. I think I've looked at Kira before. There's a lot of volume, but I think this was one that we looked at last. It could be one that we've already looked at, and I said there was a lot of wash trading by the looks of it. Let's have a look. Ascend. Yeah, that's where all the volume. Oh no, CoinW. Okay, I think I've definitely seen this one before. I'm just going to quickly look at the website. Yeah, I've seen this website before. There wasn't much to it, so I think I moved on from it. So I will continue. Crypto Jungle, Pepe is nowhere near shit. Pepe is a shit coin. Yes, most likely it is a shit coin. So I wouldn't recommend getting into it, but it's had pretty good price appreciation. Does ChatGPT, ChainGPT fit in? Let me check ChainGPT real quick. ChainGPT. Let's have a look. ChainGPT up 15%, so pretty good. It's been out for a couple of weeks. All right, so this isn't too bad. This is a good start. I like this double bottom pattern. So we may have found the bottom, but it is, it's 10 million. It's a low market cap, so that's not too bad. It's got a fair few audits. Let's check it out and let's look at their Twitter. But this looks like a winner, Dave. So thanks for telling us about this. So ChainGPT, unleash the power of blockchain AI, your personal expert, blah, blah, blah. Development AI trading analysis, CGPT token, unlimited solutions and use case for individual developers and businesses. Okay. Fastest growing AI model for crypto. We understand the world of crypto blockchain can be confusing and overwhelming, but with ChainGPT, you can trust that you're getting the best info and insights, the power of AI to unleash a true superpower in the blockchain tech space. I mean, it's a pretty nice website. AI model, CGPT token, staking and farming, obtain CGP tokens. I mean, it's worth a gamble. Yeah, definitely. Look, anything AI is, definitely hot on the market at the moment. Seems like everyone's doing some sort of AI project. I'm just trying to understand, try ChainGPT. If it's just a clone of GPT, I don't know how they're going to, make their money, because ChatGPT is basically free. Ask ChainGPT AI questions. AI Solidity Smart Contract Generator. AI Solidity Smart Contract Auditor. Okay. All right. So it looks okay. I'd probably, like I said, need to do a little bit of research. What are they selling? Okay, 5 secret requests per month. So so they've got a product. So I'm wondering, if you buy the token, do you get a share of the revenue that they generate? Probably something we can look at. 332,000 followers. Okay, they're active. Last post on 15. So yeah, definitely worth investing in. It's only on BNB. Let's have a look where it's listed. KuCoin, Pancake, Bybit. Alright, so it's on Bybit. That's good. Gate.io, Polynex. Okay, they've got a fair few. So it's listed in a fair few places. Obviously, I prefer BSC chain, nice and cheap. So I might get myself some of that a little bit later. So let me just watch list it, and then perfect, thank you. And then we'll move on back to the low cap. So thanks for that, Dave. All right, DexaCoin has a little bit of, I think, see, we've highlighted, so we've obviously seen it before. So let's move on to the next page. So we have Munt, Polka, Volume, Sakura. We looked at that last week. Internex, we looked at that last week. Etherland. I haven't checked it out, so let's check it out. It's okay, Volume. I wish it was a little bit more, but it's okay. All right, so been around since 2022, had a high of 16 cents, currently at a tenth of that. So you're looking at it at 10x if it goes to this previous all-time high. Let's have a look at its community and its website. Expanding real estate on Web3, Etherland industry approach. Okay, so I'm not a huge fan of the website. It looks a little cheap to me. Subscribe. Looks like they're doing some sort of metaverse. So let's have a look. Nothing on this maps. Etherland map loading. Okay. Let's look at it. About. Jeez, it's not good when your site's not loading. It just means there's probably too much happening. What is Etherland's world metaverse? It's something that exists all around that you can feel but cannot see. In today's world, everything is connected, yet we don't have control over the information, let alone enough transparency to assess its reliability. In certain critical industries like real estate, it raises concerns. The Estatepedia build on top of Etherland's world metaverse will solve these issues by connecting real estates all over the world while enabling people to create, own, and maintain the information. A bridge from the internet is a device to the Earth metaverse. Okay. Concern the most countries' properties positioning informations are inaccurate. On top of that, businesses and real estate suffer from lack of clear visibility and information transparency. Billions of properties worldwide will be positively impacted by the solution we are providing. The global real estate market, as we currently know, is opaque, obsolete, and disconnected with new web and blockchain technologies. This sector has not even made its blockchain transition. Etherland's world metaverse will enable real estate owners to build a trustful layer of data for their properties. Okay, I don't mind the concept. I'm still trying to understand a little bit of like what can actually occur. 1,811. Last post was 18 hours ago, so they're active. So I like that. Okay, looks like you can buy some land. Floor price is quite low, but the volume is also quite low. 191 owners. I'd have to look into. I don't have too much time. I don't want to spend too much time, but obviously we can look about what the land gives you if you do buy some land. But I don't mind it. I don't mind it so far. Okay. I'd have to read into the white paper, but it's not a bad one. So let's whitelist that one and come back to it at a later date if it's doing okay. San Paulo, we don't want to look at that one. Metaverse VR. All right, here we go. Let's have a look at Metaverse VR. How long have you been around for, sir? Okay, so basically same time last year, went up to 25 cents, currently at a discount of 90-ish%. It's got a CertiK audit. Let's check out its website. Let's check out its community. So when you've got Metaverse and VR in your name, you would assume your website is going to look pretty mint. But okay, it looks okay. This is the gateway to the Metaverse, operating system 4G3. Okay, how to buy MEV, buy on PancakeSwap, buy on, okay, what is the MEV token? MEV token is the main token of Metaverse VR project. MEV token, which was developed with BSC, first launched on PancakeSwap and then got listed amongst other sexes. Evaluating the market convenience, targeting is to be listed on the new central. Okay, I want to know what it is about. No, that's about game. All right, so it's a game. MEV Diamond. Can we get a bit of a MEV Diamond app? Okay, so they have an app. Okay, connect wallet. I'll connect my MetaMask. I really shouldn't have done that, but let's, okay, points, profile, current game history, no data found, no rank. I'm not going to spend my time. I'm going to disconnect from this just in case. Permissions. How do I disconnect from this website? Connected sites. We're going to disconnect from this one just in case. I'm going to disconnect. Perfect. You just never know. I shouldn't have connected. I think I was just in the moment. 6788 followers. Last tweet was March 28th. Was that this year? Okay. So I'd look at it. I'd look at it more because it seems like they've got stuff going on. It looks like a bit of a casino. There's a huge trend. It aims to move people in another dimension within a digital universe with the sub-project it developed. Metaverse VR becomes a bridge between real world and Metaverse. Metaverse VR creates its own ecosystem with software projects, play-to-earn games, and NFT technology. Having this ecosystem, project budget will always be kept in the highest rank of parallel investments will be done. I think they're missing an L there, or my English is wrong. Metaverse VR will continuously install its projects in alliance with upcoming Metaverse. Okay, so yeah, just another Metaverse project. Not too bad. I will just whitelist it, but I'm not 100% confident on it, especially because I didn't see how we could play the game. Alrighty, guys, we've been going for 20 minutes. I think I will wrap that up. I think we found a couple of good ones. CoinSpot just listed ChainGPT. Cool. Okay, well, I will definitely check it out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and I will catch you guys next Wednesday, same time. Peace out and stay crypto.